been receiving a lot of questions on what to expect in the Nailcandibox subscription, so I figured I'd just make a video and show you what was in last month's box. When you first open her up, this is what she looks like. Super cute. Keep in mind that each month will be different. You're not going to be getting the same thing in each box. It's always going to differ. Different designs, different keychains. So this one has a boba keychain, super cute, probably my favoriteest thing ever right now. Anyways, and then I also have some nail stickers, holographic nail stickers. She literally changes colors at different angles and it's so cool. Sometimes she looks blue, sometimes she looks silver. Then we have this water activated eyeliner. I know a lot of people were kind of confused about this, but it's water activated eyeliner and then the brush for the water activated liner. However, if you don't use eyeliner, you can also use this brush for like lining artwork on your nails and stuff like that. So, you know, hashtag versatile. And then there are some candies and whatnot. You will always get 2 sets of press-on nails. Oh, excuse me. You will always get 2 sets of press-on nails with everything that you need to decorate. I mean, not decorate. Everything you need to apply the nails. But yeah, so this last month it was a plain blue set and this like cheetah cow print set. Yes, they are a little more on the simple side. That way you can decorate them however you want, spice them up however you want, put your own creativity into it. And then here's a little sneak peek of what's going to be in next month's box. It is nail foil glue. You will not need a UV light to cure her, which means yes, you will be getting some cute nail foil in August's box. Subscriptions are limited, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe ASAP. I will link everything down below.